Think your smart home is smart? Think again. 2026 has dropped some seriously insane Amazon gadgets that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. From mind-bending desk upgrades to tech that literally solves your most annoying daily problems, I've hunted down the top 15 next-level must-haves you absolutely need to see. Links to grab these are in the description below, so hit that subscribe button and let's upgrade your life. Number 15. Have you ever been stuck at a crowded airport or out on a muddy hiking trail and desperately needed an extra hand to hold your expensive gear? The GearAid HEROCLIP is absolutely not your average carabiner. This genius little gadget features a heavy-duty, aircraft-grade aluminum body with a 360-degree rotating hook that folds out exactly when you need it. Think about it. No more putting your premium travel backpack on a disgusting public restroom floor, and no more struggling to hang wet gear from a tree at your campsite. It is incredibly tough and designed to support some serious weight without bending. Whether you're organizing your garage, strapping luggage to your motorcycle, or just need a reliable everyday carry item, this is a total lifesaver. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Check the link below. Number 14. If your nightstand or work desk looks like a massive tangled mess of cables, it is officially time for an upgrade. If you're rocking the latest tech, the SwanScout 504 dual wireless charging station is the ultimate charging hub you need. This sleek, foldable pad perfectly fast charges your iPhone 17, Samsung Galaxy S25, or Pixel 10 while simultaneously juicing up your AirPods or Galaxy Buds. The absolute best part about this charger? Its completely foldable, pocket-sized design makes it the ultimate travel companion. You can just toss it in your backpack or carry-on, and you instantly have a premium charging setup at your hotel. It keeps your workspace looking incredibly clean, modern, and minimalist, while ensuring your daily devices are always at 100%. Stop hunting for the right cable in the dark. Check the link below. Number 13. Gym memberships are getting crazy expensive, and honestly, running on a treadmill can get incredibly boring. If you want to make your home workouts genuinely addictive, you have to meet the smart Bluetooth music boxing machine. This wall-mounted electronic trainer literally turns your daily cardio into a high-energy arcade game. It syncs directly to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you blast your favorite Spotify or Apple Music while you punch to the beat of the song. With 9 different dynamic training modes and speeds, it's perfect for kids trying to burn off some extra energy, or adults looking for an intense, sweat-drenched stress relief after a long day at the office. It's compact, super easy to install without ruining your walls, and the LED target lights guide your strikes perfectly. Check the link below. Number 12. We all love our massive insulated tumblers, but you probably don't want to know what is actually hiding in the tiny crevices of your water bottle lid. If you own a Stanley Cup, a Yeti, or literally any reusable flask, the SharkBrush 3-in-1 cleaning set is a mandatory health upgrade. This incredibly clever little tool features a soft silicone brush, a hidden stiff crevice scraper, and ultra-tough bristles designed specifically to reach the tightest, most annoying gaps where mold and nasty bacteria love to hide. It takes just a few seconds to scrub out dried coffee stains, protein shake residue, and unseen gunk from your expensive drinkware. Stop risking your health and keep your drinks actually tasting fresh. Grab this multicolored 3-pack for your home kitchen and your office desk. Check the link below. Number 11. Whether you're running a creative side hustle on Etsy or you just love tinkering in your garage, the Creality K2 SE 3D printer is an absolute beast that will bring your wildest ideas to life. It completely redefines what home printing can do with a mind-blowing 500 millimeters per second high-speed print capability. Plus, it supports multicolor 3D printing, meaning your custom projects come out looking incredibly vibrant and professional right off the build plate. With its rock-solid metal frame, direct drive extruder, and completely automatic leveling system, it takes all the frustrating guesswork and failed prints out of the equation. The quick swap nozzle and massive 220 by 215 millimeter print volume make it incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a total beginner. It's time to seriously upgrade your workshop. Check the link below. Number 10. Golfers, if you want to stop guessing and start shaving serious strokes off your game this weekend, you need this in your bag. The MILESEEE GenePro G1 isn't just a standard rangefinder, it's basically a high-tech smart caddy sitting right in your pocket. Featuring a massive crystal-clear touchscreen and over 43,000 preloaded golf courses worldwide, you get hyper-accurate GPS data combined perfectly with a 1,300-yard laser rangefinder. It automatically calculates the slope of the green and gives you a satisfying vibration alert the exact millisecond it locks onto the flagstick. The dual red and green display ensures you can easily read your exact yardages, whether you're playing in bright, blinding sunlight or overcast weather. Stop second-guessing your club choice and start swinging with absolute confidence. Check the link below. Number 9. If you're pushing your expensive gaming rig or rendering heavy 4K videos, you know that thermal throttling is your absolute worst enemy. Stop letting heat ruin your performance. The ChillCore laptop cooling pad is specifically engineered to keep your hardware ice cold under extreme pressure. Packed with an insane, ultra-quiet 9-fan system, it delivers massive, targeted airflow to laptops ranging all the way up to 19.3 inches. But it doesn't just cool, it features sleek, customizable RGB lighting to perfectly match your gaming setup. Plus, it has an ergonomic 8-height adjustable stand to save your neck, back, and posture during those marathon overnight gaming sessions. It even includes extra USB ports so you never lose your mouse or keyboard connectivity. Protect your tech investment and instantly boost your frame rates. Check the link below. Number 8. Getting to your campsite and having to manually blow up a massive air mattress is officially a thing of the past. The ETENWOLF Air 3 is an ultra-fast mini electric air pump that's guaranteed to become your all-time favorite travel and camping accessory. Powered by a robust 2,600 megawatt-hour battery, this pocket-sized powerhouse effortlessly inflates and deflates everything from giant pool floats to bulky sleeping pads in a matter of seconds. But here's the real kicker. It doubles as a super bright, long-lasting camping light, and it works flawlessly with vacuum storage bags when you're trying to cram extra clothes into your suitcase for a flight. It's the ultimate space-saving, lung-saving, multi-purpose gadget for your next summer road trip or weekend getaway. Check the link below. Number 7. Are you constantly waking up with a dry, scratchy throat, a stuffy nose, or dealing with dry skin during the winter months? You desperately need to fix your bedroom's air quality, and the DREO Smart Humidifier is the ultimate way to do it. Featuring a massive 6-liter top-fill tank, this ultra-sleek cool mist humidifier runs for an incredible 60 hours straight. That means you literally only have to refill it once every few days. It operates whisper quiet, making it perfect for your master bedroom, baby nurseries, or just keeping your expensive indoor plants thriving. Plus, it features a built-in nightlight and seamless smart app control, meaning you can check and adjust your home's exact humidity levels without ever getting out of bed. Breathe easier and sleep significantly better. Check the link below. Number 6. Do you want that premium, custom, luxury kitchen aesthetic without paying a small fortune for a professional electrician? The EZVALO under-cabinet lights are your instant wireless home glow-up. This incredible 5-pack of wireless LED lights features advanced motion sensors, meaning they automatically illuminate with a beautiful glow the second you walk by your kitchen counters, dark closets, or staircases. Packed with a massive 2,400 milliamp battery, they last for weeks on a single charge and conveniently snap right off their hidden magnetic mounts when it's time to plug them in. You can use the included remote to easily adjust the dimmable 6500K daylight, set an auto-off timer, or control multiple lights at once. It's the easiest, most elegant, and renter-friendly lighting upgrade you can possibly buy. Check the link below. Number 5. Keeping track of your daily fitness supplements, vitamins, and medications shouldn't feel like a frustrating chore. This large portable pill dispenser completely takes the hassle out of managing your health routine. Featuring 7 extra-large, deep compartments and a brilliantly designed anti-mix seal, it safely separates your giant fish oil pills and daily vitamins without them ever spilling into each other when you travel. The wide opening design gives you instant, easy access, and the sleek matte black aesthetic makes it look incredibly premium compared to those cheap, flimsy drugstore organizers. It even comes with a set of 20 blank stickers so you can perfectly customize your morning and evening routine. It's an absolute must-have for frequent flyers, road trippers, or just keeping your daily gym bag organized. Check the link below. Number 4. In a world where thousands of our favorite memories are just trapped permanently inside our phone's camera roll, the Canon Ivy 2 mini photo printer is a total breath of fresh air. This awesome little gadget lets you turn your digital smartphone snaps into beautiful, physical keepsakes in a matter of seconds. This ultra-portable, pocket-sized printer connects directly to your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth and prints gorgeous, highly vibrant photos without ever needing a single drop of messy ink. And here's the best part. Every single print has a peel and stick back. They're absolutely perfect for decorating your laptop case, personalizing your bullet journal, or handing out as instant fun party favors to your friends. It's fast, incredibly fun, and brings your photos back to life. Check the link below. Number 3. Get ready because your house is about to be the absolute best-looking one on the entire block. The Govee Outdoor Up-Down Wall Light is designed to completely transform your front porch, patio, or backyard aesthetic. These smart, heavy-duty IP66 waterproof sconces pack a blindingly bright 1,200 lumens and feature Govee's world-famous RGBIC WW technology, allowing you to display multiple stunning colors on the wall at the exact same time. With 64 dynamic animated scene modes, you can set a spooky, glowing vibe for Halloween, festive red and green colors for Christmas, or just a sleek, warm white glow for everyday home security. They connect flawlessly to your home Wi-Fi and work perfectly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter for seamless voice control. Upgrade your home's curbside instantly. Check the link below.
Number 2. We've all been there. Holding your phone in your hand to watch a downloaded movie during a grueling 6-hour flight is literal torture for your neck and arms. That's exactly why the Perilogics Universal Phone Holder is a travel essential you simply cannot board a plane without. This pocket-sized stroke of genius securely clamps onto the airplane tray table, even when the tray is locked and folded up in front of you. With its smooth, multi-directional 360-degree dual rotation, you can find the absolute perfect ergonomic viewing angle for binge-watching Netflix or endlessly scrolling TikTok. It keeps your hands completely free so you can enjoy your in-flight snacks and prevents that awful neck stiffness. Seriously, once you use this gadget on a flight, you will never travel without it again. Check the link below.
Number 1. If you're a solo content creator, you already know the struggle. You want to use your phone's amazing high-quality rear camera for your videos, but you hate that you can't actually see yourself to check the framing. Enter the ultimate creator hack, the Vlogmate Mini Phone Monitor. This brilliant little screen clips right onto the back of your phone via MagSafe or a clamp and mirrors your phone screen in flawless real time. Whether you're daily vlogging, live streaming, or filming viral TikToks, you can finally frame your shots perfectly while getting that crisp, cinematic 4K quality from your rear camera. No more out-of-focus selfies, chopping off the top of your head, or awkward framing. It's a total game changer for anyone wanting to level up their production value without spending thousands on a dedicated camera setup. Check the link below. All right, guys, that wraps up the 15 craziest tech gadgets of 2026. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment down below. I want to know what you're picking up. If you found something awesome today, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the best tech finds. All the links are in the description. Stay ahead of the curve, and I'll catch you in the next one.